Annabelle, what are you doing? Really? How's your breakfast? Is it yummy? Yeah, is it yummy? Can you say hi? Hi. You like being in Grandma and Grandpa's house? Yeah. Oh, yeah? You want to say bye-bye to the camera? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? No? You're just going to eat? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.